Classic FM's orchestra in northwest England, the Royal Liverpool Philharmonic, under their principal conductor Vasily Petrenko. There'll also be more from the movies, when we'll hear Lara's theme from Maurice Jarre's score for Dr. Zhivago. All that and much more besides, all of it top class, so be sure to stay listening.
Classic FM Drive with Confused.com. Taking the confusion out of car insurance.
Turning Points with Julie Walters. The biggest moments in classical music.
And tomorrow night, I'm going back, what, 19 years? To find those 20th century turning point moments. Gosh.
Turning Points on Classic FM with the Honda Jazz, the small car that's surprisingly